What if you could land any chord, no matter how impossible the shape, perfectly on the first try? In this video, I'm giving you my exactly 5-minute daily drill. It's a simple 2-step system that rewires your muscle memory so your fingers hit the sweet spot every single time. Step 1 is for crystal clear clarity, and step 2 is for lightning fast transitions. Hello YouTube! My name is Florin and I've been teaching this instrument for almost 25 years. So stick around, maybe you'll learn something new or something interesting today. In this lesson, I want to show you exactly how to practice chord grips at any level. Whether you are a beginner struggling with open chords, an intermediate player tackling bar chords, or advanced and working on complex jazz shapes, I have 2 exercises that will fix all your problems. Let's jump right into exercise number 1, which is all about clarity. The goal here is simple. Make sure every single string rings clearly. Here is the harsh truth. However the chord sounds on the very first try, that is exactly how well you actually know the chord. If you have to adjust your fingers after you strum to make it sound good, you don't know the grip yet. Think of that first strum as your true grade for that chord. So, sit down and form the chord. Pick every string individually to make sure no notes are being muffled by your other fingers. If it buzzes or sounds dead, fix it. Adjust your finger and try until all the strings ring perfectly together at the same time. You count that as one good try. By doing this, you are teaching your brain exactly where the sweet spot is for every finger. Raise your hand completely in the air and then restart the process from scratch. You can practice this by a number of good tries. Let's say you aim for 10 perfect tries, or by time. Practice this for 3 minutes. Some chords you will get right from the first try, while for others, you'll need many more attempts just to get one perfect try. The reality is that for harder shapes like bar chords, you might need multiple practice sessions before you even get that first good try. Don't give up. Hang in there and keep practicing. You will get those perfect tries eventually. Now, let's move on to exercise number 2, which is all about mastering the shape and building speed. Start by gripping the chord on the neck and strumming it once. Now lift your hand into the air, but try to keep your fingers locked in the exact position, as if you're still gripping the invisible chord in midair. Your goal is to bring your hand down and have every finger land on its string at the exact same time, rather than one finger at a time. Here is the most important rule. Don't worry about the sound. If a note is a bit muffled, that's okay. We fix the clarity in exercise 1. This one is purely about teaching your hand the shape and gripping the chord fast. If you find this difficult, use these 3 levels of progression. Level 1. Just release the pressure on the strings. Don't even lift your fingers off. Just let go and then squeeze back down. Level 2. Start lifting your hand just a few millimeters away. Keep it hovering very close to the fretboard so you don't lose the shape. Level 3. Gradually increase the distance. Raise your hand higher and higher until you can bring it from way up in the air and land the grip perfectly. Once you can do this fast and accurately from a full distance, you've truly mastered the shape. If you like these kinds of lessons, you'll definitely like my complete guitar course. It takes a student from zero and gets them playing guitar like a pro. It covers all the things you need to know and practice, all the theory, exercises and songs. Plus, it's completed with video tutorials, backing tracks, tabs, and all the resources that a student needs to make real progress. Now, Here is how you combine these into a 5-minute daily drill to see the fastest results. For the chord that is giving you the most trouble right now, set a timer for 5 minutes. Spend the first 3 minutes on exercise 1. This ensures your brain memorizes the correct sweet spot. Then, spend the final 2 minutes on exercise number 2 to lock in the muscle memory and speed. Keep in mind, this 5-minute block is for one specific chord shape. If you have 2 or 3 shapes you're working on, you'll need to increase your total practice time accordingly. However, if you're short on time and you have more than 3 shapes to master, I recommend a rotation approach. Instead of minutes, just do a few good tries per exercise for each chord before moving to the next. Moving quickly between different shapes keeps your brain more engaged and leads to a more effective practice session, even if it feels a bit harder. Just remember, do not confuse the goals of each exercise. Keep your focus on clarity for the first exercise and speed for the second. If you rush the first exercise, you'll breeze past muffled strings without even realizing you haven't found the sweet spot. Conversely, if you obsess over clarity during the second exercise, you'll never build the explosive speed needed to land the grip fast. Focus on one goal at a time, and the results will follow. However, you don't have to wait for perfection to start making music. Once you get it right about 50 to 60% of the time on both exercises, start practicing songs that use that shape. This helps you apply what you're learning while you continue to refine the clarity. Think of these songs as another way of practicing chord grips. They don't have to sound perfect right away, but it makes practicing guitar more fun. And eventually, you will be able to play them perfectly. In fact, this is one mistake that most beginners and self-taught guitarists make. They wait until everything sounds perfect before they even try songs with certain chords. Some shapes like bar chords or fancy jazz voicings take a long time to reach perfection. Once you can change them fast enough to keep up with a metronome or a backing track, start using them. You'll actually learn them faster this way. But the key is to still practice these exercises while learning new songs. That will ensure you keep progressing. The songs on their own are usually not enough to make the grips sound perfect. I still use these exact steps whenever I encounter a challenging new grip. These exercises are great because you practice the grip by itself. When you can do these drills fast, it means you can use that grip in any scenario, in any song, or in any chord progression. Now, if you find you're still struggling with these 2 exercises, or your fingers just don't feel strong enough to hold these shapes in a song yet, it might be a technical bottleneck. I have a dedicated video on building dexterity and hand synchronization that will help you develop the raw finger strength you need for these tougher chords. Click on the screen to watch that video next. Have a good practice day.